Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open the Epic Games launcher and sign in with your Epic account. Click Library on the left column to list installed and owned games. Select a game tile to open its details panel and options. Click the three-dot menu next to the game tile to show more actions and information. Look for download size and installed size values shown in GB or MB. Note that sizes update when patches or optional content are available. On Windows or Mac OS, open the library and find the specific game tile. Right-click or click the three-dot icon and choose Manage to view Install Folder and Size. The page shows installed size and download size in GB like 50 GB or 2 GB. Use Verify to force the launcher to recalc sizes and detect missing files. Selecting Uninstall will display the exact freeable space in GB before confirming removal. When you click Install, the Epic installer opens a confirmation dialog before downloading. That dialog displays required disk space in GB and the targeted install drive. Optional DLC or extra language packs appear with separate sizes listed in GB. Compare required space to your available drive space to prevent failed downloads or partial installs. You can change the install location to a drive with sufficient space in the same dialog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.